And now I'm going to show you the next thing, which is part of the Novi controllers. This is called the NoviGate, which is actually based on a specific new widget which we created for that, and that is called gate control or entrance control. Let's watch the video. Hold on, I'll share my screen again.
Hello again. What's up, dude? All right, so what do we have here? This is called a NoviGate. This is one of the Corona products. Imagine that you have a store, maybe in the shopping mall, and you would like to control the amount of people getting in, getting out. So you're going to put a sign, a digital sign, like this TV. All right, this is a smart TV. This is a Q line of Philips. All right, so we have Android inside. And this is the NoviSign APK, the Android APK, which is running on this. You see there are 3 widgets: weather, clock, ticker, this image of that guy. Who's that guy? And this thing. This is the most important thing, because I'm going to change what you see here according what's happening in the real store. So I have this, like you see, I have this on my smartphone. This is just a URL on my browser, any browser on my smartphone. That means I don't need to install anything on my smartphone. So now I'm going to press this one, the green button, and you see it has just changed to go, because now I would like to let the people inside the store. Now I'm going to press the stop, and now let's do it again. Yeah, now it has just stopped, and let's press go again, and go and stop. Very simple smartphone. You just need someone to stand with a smartphone and do that trick. That's another solution for the COVID-19 issue. All right, thank you.
Okay, this is very simple. Now I'm going to show you how it looks from the studio side. Let's take a look. Hold on a second. I'll open my studio.
So Nir, until you open the studio, I just want to remind the group here that at the end of the day, NoviSign is developing platforms to create and broadcast to the screen. What used to call digital signage, just replacing video and image, today there are so many things you can do with that and so many events. And many times we are putting up there like a new feature, a new capability, which here it's demonstrated as the NoviGate, like go and no go. But then at the end of the day, also when you see near presentation, you can also, do like the deal, the meal of the day, and you can do other promotions and other things to change with that. So whether it's integrating with a camera, whether it's changing something on the screen, we give you the capability to do it, and we demonstrate it in a specific environment. But if we build it for healthcare, maybe you can use it in retail. If we build it for retail, maybe you can use it for hospitality. So you have a set of dozens today of tools that you can use. And together with that, it's like Lego bricks, and Nir also is the Lego brick dude. So like building Lego models, then you can build solutions using these platforms. And Nir, go ahead and show how you do it from the studio.
All right, thank you, Gil. Let's share my screen. Okay, can you see my screen? Yes, you can. All right.
Yes, we can.
Okay, so in my screen, what you see, this is my account. You see a device Philips Q line. All right, so let's see what I have inside. I'll just double click it, and I have a single playlist. Let's open my playlist. And in my playlist, I have only one creative. Okay, very simple. No events, nothing. Let's open that creative. Yeah, I'm opening that creative, and like I explained you in the video, there were 3 widgets on the left: the weather, the clock, the ticker, and that dude on the right, which is just a still image. But the most interesting one is this one. This one is called Smart Entrance Widget, and it actually can show you 3 images. And if I look at the widget on the right, okay, I have some text which appear on top, and this is what you saw on my smartphone, the dude's lair. And I have 3 statuses. I have the stop, I have the go and I have the default. And the default is what you see actually when you begin. And the stop and go is what's happening all along the way. Now, if I choose the go, for example, then in order to choose the image, I will just click here. If I click here, I can choose another image to be displayed when there's a go. And if I would like to choose the image to display when there's a stop, I change the status to stop, and then I click that plus in order to find a matching image for the stop status from my media library, of course. And last important detail here is what you see here, controller. If I click this linkable text, I can actually copy into my clipboard, and then I can send it to myself by email, the URL of the controller. That means what you saw on my smartphone was actually a browser. It was the browser on my smartphone actually that before that I surfed into this URL in order to gain control over this screen. This is how it's being done. And last thing is the logo. The logo is what you saw on my smartphone. There was some kind of dude's logo, so this is how I chose it from here. Also, last setting also for extra authentication. And this is it. It's a very simple widget. Very simple. All right.